Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Sometimes life throws us a bit of a curveball, and that's the case with this heli. From snapping tail booms to snapping fuselages to death wobbles to cameras pointing into the sky, just couldn't get it together. But I think I finally got it now, and I had to land up putting a lattice in here from here to here, just to strengthen that all up a bit, and also a nice tail boom joiner ring to really boost that join. So without further ado, this is the new and final version of the MD500. I've removed all the other versions, and I've sent some of those of you that have not yet printed the previous downloads these new files. And this one fits the Bell electronics, which I have in this one, as well as the FW450, both the V3 and the V2.5. All the chassis plates are supplied. So this particular one is printed in PLA. I just gave it some clear coat, painted the windows in. So without further ado, let's give it a go. Let's check GPS. I have. Give it a rotate. And I still have GPS. So yeah, let's find a nice spot. As usual, I fly in ATI mode. 1, 2, 3, and run. Let's see what this brings to the party. Okay. Nice breeze. Let's try some GPS. There we go, GPS mode. Back to ATI. Let's check the agility. I'm flying on my 3300 here today, so we're at sort of maximum weight. So the wind will push it around a little bit, but that's fine. Let's go. Mind the trees. Very windy, but yeah, looks good. Let's try and orbit. Oh, wind. Try that again. Lots of wind. But she flies nice. No vibrations that I can see. Let's get up close and see what we have. A little bit on the top fin there, but it's not bad. How's she hanging? Hanging fairly level, to be honest. See if I can get a better shot of that. Slightly into the right, of course, as usual. Okay, back to Atty. Wind is coming directly from the front. So if I'm in Atty mode like this and I just let go, it'll just bring it right back to me. Guys, thanks for downloading this. And I'm really keen to see everybody's build. Very nice. Very nice indeed. I think that clear gloss just gives that body a little bit extra something to look at. You know, it was a bit dull looking in just PLA. Right, let's try this orbit again. Okay, a bit random. Let's try it in GPS mode. Maybe that will help us a bit. There we have GPS and an orbit. This is cheating, of course. Completely cheating. Lovely. Back to Atty. What a beautiful machine. Beautiful. That's better. I was wondering why it was popping around like that. I forgot that I was in GPS. Oh, mind the trees. There we have it, guys. Beautiful MD500. The Ferrari of the skies. A real sports machine. But until I have flown her a few times, I'll just take it easy. Lovely. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Let's land her somewhere nice. And we'll call that happy days. Just there. Beautiful. Happy days.